Welcome to PartsTech. In this video, we'll show you how to get set up, search, and order parts. The first thing you need to do is set up your suppliers. To add or modify suppliers, click on the left menu, the top left-hand corner of the screen, and click on Suppliers from the drop-down. To add a new supplier, click on the Add a New Supplier button. You can search for suppliers by zip code or by the supplier's name. To add a supplier, click on the plus button at the bottom of the supplier. Now PartsTech will ask you for your wholesale account information. If you already have your information, click on the I know my account info button. If you don't know your credentials and you need a PartsTech rep to reach out to you, click on this I want PartsTech to help me get my account info button. From there, a PartsTech rep will reach out. Please note that you must have a wholesale account with the supplier in order to order parts on PartsTech. If you already have your account info, click on the I know my account info button and enter your customer number and choose your servicing location. Then click Save. Once you've added in all of your suppliers, you can choose which order they appear by clicking on this icon and dragging and drop them into the right position. The green approved icon shows you when your suppliers are active and ready to search an order. If you see a not approved icon, check your credentials or reach out to PartsTech support. Here you can edit your credentials by clicking on the pencil icon or remove the supplier by clicking on the X. To integrate PartsTech with your shop management system, you'll need two credentials, the first being your PartsTech username and the second being your API key. To find your API key and username, click on the left menu over here and then navigate down to API. Here you can copy your username and your API key and input them into your shop management system. For information on how to integrate PartsTech with your shop management system, contact your shop management system support team. Searching for parts is quick and easy. Most users are using PartsTech in tandem with the shop management system. In those cases, the vehicle and VIN number may already be pre-filled. From there, use the search bar to start running a search. There are a couple different ways to search for parts on PartsTech. The most popular and most precise way is to run a part type search. To do that, we've made it easy. Start typing for what you're looking for, and we'll display a list of part types in the dropdown. In this case, I'm looking for an alternator, and I'm going to click this to run the part type search. Now PartsTech is showing me only alternators from all of my suppliers. If I wanted to run a broader search, I could run a keyword search. Keyword searches come in handy when you're not sure what the supplier calls the part, but you know a keyword. In this case, let's search for a belt. To run a keyword search, instead of selecting a part type from the part type menu, click on the orange search button to run the search. Now PartsTech is searching our archives for every part type that matches the word belt. Here you can see there's quite a few different options on the part type. From here I can select the part type I want, add the filter by clicking Apply Changes, and narrow the search down to exactly what I need. You can also enter a part number into the search bar. Part number searches are not vehicle specific, meaning that you don't need to enter a vehicle in order to find that part. Enter the part number you need, and then click on the part number from the dropdown. Now PartsTech will show you all the parts that match that part number, and alternate parts and interchanges. Searching for tires with a PartsTech Tires subscription is easy. Click on where it says Parts in the search bar, and switch over to PartsTech Tires. Here we'll show you tires that match your vehicle, or you can enter tire size manually. Select from the dropdown, and then PartsTech will show you what's in stock for your tire suppliers. You can also filter on the left here. So let's say I just want Bridgestones. Apply the filter, and then add tires to the work order. So I'm going to get 4 of these Bridgestones, add them to the cart, and here I can enter a PO number and submit the quote back into my management system. Now that we know how to search, let's walk through an RO. Let's say we need pads and rotors for this '08 BMW. I'm going to run a part type search for disc brake pad set by typing in disc and selecting disc brake pad set from the dropdown. Once my suppliers load in, I can start searching. I can view details pages by clicking on the link. I can see images. Let's go with these Akabono pads. One cool feature of PartsTech is that you can order from multiple suppliers in the same order. So now that I have my pads, I need some rotors. I'm going to go back up to the search bar, type in rotor, and disc brake rotor appears under the part type menu. I'm going to click on that to run the search. And then let's get these Duralast rotors. I need 2 of them. I can adjust the quantity here, and I can add them to the cart. Once I've added the part to the cart, I can remove it by clicking the red trash can, or I can change the quantity. You can expand the quick cart to add supplier notes, or change delivery method by clicking on the arrow above the PO number field. Now that I've got the pads and the rotors done for this job, I can enter a PO number and click Submit to Quote to submit that quote back into my management system. If I was ready to purchase these parts now, I could click Buy Now, and that would send the order to Worldpac and the order to AutoZone. If you get stuck or if you need help, our Resource Center has you covered. Open the Resource Center by clicking on the question mark in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Here you'll have quick guides, access to our knowledge base. You can search for help guides, or if you need to, you can contact support by clicking this Contact Support button at the bottom of the window. Doing this will submit a ticket to our PartsTech support team, and they'll reach out shortly. Thanks for taking the time to look through this quick demo. If you need further support, please don't hesitate to reach out to a PartsTech rep.